Hello, this is a tool, a technique for connecting with our heart knowing and coming out of the thinking of the brain, or reducing the level of thinking. Sometimes we're stuck in worrying, thinking thoughts that aren't really productive or helpful, and we forget about the knowing of the heart, our heart mind. It's an organ of consciousness, is our heart. So in this way, we're going to take 3 deep breaths and put our attention here in the brain. And you can do this with me, breathing into the brain and out. In and out. In and out. Now we breathe into the brain, out to the heart. Into the brain, bring your attention down to the heart. Into the brain and out to the heart. Now 3 more deep breaths in to the heart. Breathe. You can put your hand here on the heart. Put your attention there, breathing in and out. In and out. In and out. And notice if you feel more calm, centered, relaxed. Enjoy this practice. Whenever you feel like you're thinking too much, you need to connect with your heart mind. Thank you for watching.